What's up, guys? Welcome back to a quick video. I was gonna make this into a short, but it actually gonna be longer than a short, but not too long anyway. I don't know if you guys remember, a while back I got some nail polish for my blue Axum just to touch up, paint touch up, and a few of you guys had asked me which one that I got. However, the one that I got, I think it was like a gel base, and it never dried. It was a really nice match, but it never dried. So this is what I got. I went to the store a few times and I ended up buying different ones. And I think I finally got the one. Let me show you. So that's the one, the first one that I got. The match is really, really good. So this is the blue right there compared to the blue right there. Is really almost identical, but that thing never dried, and you can kind of see over here still a little bit crumble. So this one, it was not no go for me. Even I applied the UV light, that did not work. Then I bought this at HEB, and I think I got this one at HEB as well, if I'm not mistaken. Then I got this one at HEB, and that's too light. That is actually gonna be better for that one right there, for the Copeland. So I did not use that one. Then I went back to HEB and I found this one. This one was a way better match. I don't know if you can see the top right there. That's the name of it. After School Boy Blazers, $7.95, and that's the brand. SE, whatever. There's a few bucks only, and the color was a little bit too dark. But it did the job. I mean, don't get me wrong, it worked better than the other one, but still too dark. So I went to the store yesterday or the day before with my daughter, and I bought two more. I bought this one, but as you can see, that one is very much alike to that one. So that's too light. It was just a few bucks, so it didn't hurt. But then I saw this one, and look at that thing. That one looks very similar to that right there. So when you put this next to the Axum, I think that's gonna be a way, you can tell right there, boom, right there. So that's the name, 493 Midnight Drive. And I think I got this at Walmart, if I'm not mistaken, but there's the brand right there. And I actually applied it right there to the side, and yeah, with the reflection you can see a little bit darker, but once you put it in there, this thing, look at it right there. So you can kind of tell that this works way, I mean, just look at it. There's nothing else to say. It works really well. I mean, like from far you can barely tell that it's right here unless I point it out. And of course, it's gonna be noticeable, but it's right there. Nothing else to say. It speaks for itself. So with that said, I think we got a winner. And that one is gonna be this one right here. Insta Dry from Walmart, I believe. That's the code 493. I'll leave an affiliate link in the description below if I can find it. And I hope that you learned something from this video. And if you did, please hook me up. Subscribe if you haven't. There's a lot of you watching my videos and you're not subscribed. If you subscribe, this channel can grow a lot. Also, turn the notification bell on. That way you don't miss any future content. And other than that, that is going to be it for today. And I'll see you in the next one. I hope this was helpful for many of you. I'm not gonna edit this video, I'm just gonna upload it like this. That's it for today. See you on the trails.